plugged in your phone but nothing happens? You're not alone. First, check if there's anything stuck inside the USB port. Sometimes, dirt or lint can block the connection. Use a flashlight and a toothpick to gently clean it out. Next, try plugging in a different cable or device. If it works, your original cable might be the problem. Still not working? Turn your car off and back on again. This resets the electronics and can fix small glitches. If the USB port still won't work, look at your car's manual to find the fuse box. A blown fuse could be the culprit. Swap out the old fuse for a new one with the same color and number. Finally, if nothing else helps, it might be time to visit a mechanic. Sometimes the port itself is damaged and needs professional repair. So remember, check for dirt, try a new cable, restart your car, look for a blown fuse, and if all else fails, get expert help. Keeping your USB port clean and working means you can always charge up and play your favorite tunes. Easy fixes, done.